Hello. This is Gazelle, and well, welcome back after nearly 3 years since I've posted here on this YouTube channel. Since 2022. Okay, so this video is going to be crazy, maybe not crazy, and I think for most of you, you were following my videos since I started posting about selling online on Amazon, eBay, OnBuy, blah blah blah. So yeah, I haven't posted in here for a while, which is about 3 years ago now. And originally, I started posting contents on this YouTube channel since the lockdown. And because obviously we were running our business online, and I started thinking of like, why not just sharing our experiences by selling on different platforms like Amazon, OnBuy, eBay. So by the way, this is Gazelle, and I'm still doing this business, running Scent Garden Cosmetics business. And this video is me getting ready for one of my cosplay. And these are not my actual real eye color. I'm just going to be a bit quieter here because, yeah. I'm doing a cosplay for the other YouTube channel. So basically, I've stopped posting any videos on this YouTube channel. And then I've sort of ASMR content. So I've got two separate YouTube channels right now. One of them is English, one of them is my other language, well, Persian. So yeah, basically I've got two separate ASMR channels. One of them is in English, one of them is in Persian. I do different kind of contents in there. They're all, mainly focused on ASMR kind of contents. And I think it was a time when I was getting quite stressed, and I felt like, why not just going to, move to ASMR when I feel like it's making me less stressed. And coming here talking about our business and everything was quite fun. I literally liked it. But then I don't know, like I've even got vlog YouTube channel as well. But anyway, this video I'm going to tell you a few things about selling online. So stay tuned. I mean, keep watching this video because while I'm getting ready and doing my makeover for my other YouTube channels, I'm going to be giving you a few details about OnBuy. To be honest with you, selling online and obviously our business, running it, it's always something I'm still enjoying. But I would like to mainly cover OnBuy tonight, and then also just telling you why I feel like selling on Amazon lately feels like more like damage control rather than growth. So I'm going into details in this video and tell you exactly what are my thoughts and what I actually think about these two platforms as an my honest view, my honest ideas and thoughts when it comes to compare these two platforms lately as a seller, which we actually sell on both platforms. So yeah, let's just break it down, going into details while I'm doing my makeup and talking to you. Okay, so first things, I'm gonna start with the sunscreen. Okay, I start with OnBuy. In all honest views, in all honest way, if I want to say, OnBuy sales are not as much as Amazon at the moment. I mean, I know that we are selling better potentially even on Amazon, but recently when it comes to just checking the actual profit that comes from Amazon, we feel like it's just too much hassle really, and we felt like it's not worth it anymore because we're constantly just checking returns. And by the way, when you're selling items to Europe from the UK, Amazon has started this plan where it's a returnless refund. What does it mean? It means that the buyer opens a case on Amazon and says, "Oh, I either I did not receive my item, or the item is not as is described, or any kind of reason." As a buyer, honestly, I'm a seller, but I'm also a buyer as well. So we could always like have different reasons. But when you send from the UK to Europe, Amazon basically just refund the buyers, which is quite frustrating. Because I mean, it depends if you are part of Amazon pan-European system, like you have a return place already in Europe, then that's fine, cool. But for us, because we are having a very small business and we don't have that return place, the buyers just get their refund and we technically lose quite a lot in here. So this is about Amazon, and let's move on to OnBuy. So OnBuy has got some really cool features recently as a seller. I'm just going to go on and start it by telling you about as a seller. As a seller, you have got the options now. You can start selling internationally. Just go and read the details on OnBuy. Obviously, they've got details and really good information if you want to start selling in European countries on OnBuy. They wanted to start to the US sell. Well, you as a seller, you were going to be able to start selling in the US, but apparently because of the tariffs that happen in the US, they've just stopped the plan for now, or maybe they've just paused it for now. All the details and everything, as I'm saying it, it's already on OnBuy website as well. And then it's I think the boosting system that OnBuy uses is actually very, very interesting. Some of our listings goes directly on Google. Like if it's maybe like a product that not many sellers are selling it, you get the chance to have your products popping up, obviously on Google page. And also, OnBuy is not like Amazon. Amazon's started selling quite a lot of items when you're selling it. It depends what you're selling, but recently when I look is like Amazon's started selling groceries, clothes, cosmetics, skincare, lots of different things. But OnBuy doesn't do that. And this is quite interesting because it gives more sellers more chances to sell the items that they want to sell. And another thing I find it quite strange recently about Amazon is that it's just increasing fees, and they're just creating stricter policies like random suspensions, and and it, I'm so sorry if I have to say this here, but also the amount of customer fraud is expanding on Amazon for some reasons. I found which is it's so sad. But I think I have to be honest, and somebody has to be honest and say these things. And instead of focusing on growing our business and finding more products to sell in there, we're always like dealing with things that it's just, that's why I call it damage control. But when it comes to OnBuy, you don't really have to deal with these things. And I find OnBuy a more ethical and more honest platform to start selling it. I know you're not going to sell as much as on Amazon you would do, but that's all right. You've got to start from somewhere. There are some cons as an OnBuy seller, and I would also say as an OnBuy buyer. OnBuy still doesn't give you the chance to message in the seller before placing an order. So this is technically could be a con as a buyer and a seller. So why is that? I might sell on OnBuy myself, but I'm also buying quite a lot of things on OnBuy as well. And I often want to find out more details from a product I want to place the order with. And then you don't have the chance, you don't have the option to message the seller beforehand to find out more, to get more details. So here, I would say eBay and Amazon give you the chance to communicate with the seller before placing the order to get to get more information from the product you want to buy. It depends. Sometimes you just want to buy a watch and then it doesn't really have much details in there, and you want to like ask the seller saying, how is this, getting a bit more information from the product. So this is one of the cons, one of the I think things that I was getting quite annoyed about OnBuy, and that you have to place the order. After you place the order, then you will be able to communicate with the seller. So which I think is not good. I hope OnBuy is going to watch this video and maybe fix something about this. And another thing is I am putting the I think you're seeing it right now on the this is from our shop. I've taken a screenshot of it. You can see what countries now you can start selling, but be careful because you need to read all the international market categories on OnBuy and finding out exactly what are the options that you can start selling it. And another thing is actually cashback promotions. Cashback promotions, not just for sellers, for buyers, obviously. You can buy from OnBuy and they often have some really amazing cashback programs, and I really enjoyed it myself. So your cashback promotions are also part of our OnBuy system, which I kind of like. It gives more traffic on their website and it makes more buyers to buy more stuffs. So that's another good thing about OnBuy. Now about OnBuy as a buyer. I know that eBay added this recently, Klarna, paying by Klarna or Clearpay, but OnBuy had it already. So OnBuy had it and then eBay had it, but Amazon doesn't still have this option apparently. So I think with the Clearpay, you can still log into your app, Clearpay app, and then place orders on Amazon and then pay via Clearpay. But OnBuy used to have this option where you were actually able to pay by Klarna or Clearpay, which is really, really good. I think it's it makes the shopping more flexible for buyers. So yeah, I think this video was a very short video about telling you. I mean, I've only done like my foundation, face foundation, because this is going to be a very simple makeup. It's not a really kind of a, I don't know, like a complicated kind of makeup. This is my makeup, daily makeup, and I would just get ready. And I mean, I didn't want to like do the full makeup here and get ready and then talk with you. The main thing was just to come here and talk with you and tell you exactly what I was not posting in the videos and what was going on. And I'm still planning to make more videos like this and come in here and talk with you. If you support me, because I mean, this YouTube channel is not dead, but it's too small. So I don't even know if I am going to get many views or anything like that in here. But yeah. All I wanted to do was to just come down here after 3 years and tell you exactly what was going on and why I wasn't posting any more videos. And I think actually from now on, I really need to come down here more often and explain exactly and giving you updates of what's going on. I wanted to do this. I got busy with my other channels. I'm not promising I will be uploading videos really regularly here because I don't know when will be the next time I will have the chance to come down here and then talk to you like this, because I'm really busy with my other contents which I've got, like I told you, on my other YouTube channels. And I think one of the things that I wanted to focus was coming down here, posting this video and talking with you and giving you a bit of update what was going on. And I am going to have potentially more videos on the way. And hopefully some improvement. Meanwhile, if you are into ASMR, you're more than welcome to come down to my ASMR YouTube channels and have a look there, watching my other videos. But yeah, for tonight, this was me talking with you. I hope you liked this video. Let me know your ideas. Let me know if you've got any experiences if you've been selling on OnBuy or Amazon. Just give me some updates as well from your own perspectives and your point of view. I would like to know. And yeah, if you have any questions, you can always ask me. If I know it, I would definitely answer that on the comments below. And thanks for watching this video. And by the way, this is not the makeup yet. This is just me putting my foundation and talking with you anyway. But yeah, I hope you liked this video anyway. I hope I gave you some good information. Take care.